Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So today we're gonna look how to add sound to the button. So let's say we have this kind of button. Okay, so you guys can refer to the mouse over button tutorial on how to create this button. Okay, so saya dah selesai create this button. Okay, so let us test this one first. Okay. So this is what we call as mouse over button lah. Right. So when we press, it will change to another color. Okay. Alright. So now we're gonna add sound on this button. So we just need to double click on this button first. Okay, and then kita punya timeline bawah ni. Okay, instead of yang ni yang asal, so bila kita double click on this button, so dia akan bertukar macam ni. So kat sini lah yang kita buat mouse over button. So over, up color lain, over another color and down another color lah. Okay, so let's say we want to add sound on this button. So meaning that bila kita up tu kita tak letak apa-apa sound, since it is annoying kan bila kita sound tu akan keep playing kan. So kita akan letak sound tu dekat down je, meaning that when we press on that button then apa ni akan keluar sound. Kalau kita sekadar buka and then we just put our cursor on the button without pressing it, then takkan keluar apa-apa sound. Okay, so in that case we got to put our cursor dekat down, not over, down Alright, so letak dekat down and then we have to download any sound, MP3 sound. Okay, boleh Google free sound if boleh Google lah. And then choose the simplest one lah. Kan pilih sound yang simple-simple kan dalam 1 second. Alright. Okay, so for my case, I have download one sound effect, simple sound effect. Okay, then now we got to import that sound to our library first. Okay, you got to go to the file and then import to library. Okay, so my sound effect file is inside the Animate folder. Just double click this one. And this is the sound that I have downloaded just now. Okay, and then just double click on this one. Alright, so the sound that we have uploaded just now already here lah. What we need to do next is we just put our cursor here on down here. Alright, and then go to the properties here. Okay, so we can see sound type over here, and then click on the none here and just press the sound that we have uploaded just now. Okay, then press this one. Okay, and then we need to test it. Okay, so when we put our cursor on the button, sound tak keluar apa-apa. But then when we press it, dia keluarlah sound dia. So maknanya bila kita letak sound tu dekat down, meaning that bila kita press that button barulah dia play that sound. So saya tunjuk lagi sekali. Okay, when we press enter, then sound tu akan dimainkan. Alright, selamat mencuba. Bye.